What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Hope you had a spectacular weekend. We're going to over Gala, currently sitting at 0.02289. Let me just make sure this is correct. Down 3% on the day. Market cap 845 million. 24-hour volume, wow. All the way down to 85 million. Very low volume in the market at the moment. So we're looking at leading diagonal. I told you guys to watch for this pullback zone, which is exactly where we came down from. The bearish level is here, 0.02144. So you need to push up, break that bullish level at 0.02507 to see continuation up in a wave 3. Because until then, you can just continue to go through the correction. But looking at Bitcoin dominance, I think there's a decent chance that we may start to see that breakout from here. And I'll show you that, to you guys in a second. So as we can see, we came up and retested the 20 EMA on the daily chart. I told you guys we need to get back above the 78.6 to remain bullish, because the fact that we're underneath it is bearish, increases the likelihood of breaking that low. But if you can get back above it, then it's not too much to worry about. But what you want to see is get back up above this yellow line, which is the 20 EMA, this blue line, which is the 55 EMA. Hold it as support and see continuation. Otherwise, you get rejected, you roll over. It is what it is. You create a lower low. But looking at Bitcoin dominance, this is the daily chart. We have a topping tail candle, this big green long wick. Basically means the price was attempted to be pushed up, but it was rejected with this long wick, and that usually signifies that the strength to the upside is weakening. So if you do start to see a breakdown from here on the Bitcoin dominance, then you break that channel, then you can see the start of the bull market, or basically start of the alt season, as Bitcoin loses strength and money flows into ETH and the altcoins, which would allow Gala to break out. But if we do roll over, we break that low at 0.021, that would be the bearish scenario. We can come all the way down and break this low down here, which would be unfortunate, but it is what it is. So in the short term, you want to see some volume step in, start to break out, break that bullish level. That will give you confirmation of pushing up to 0.033. All right, gang, we are currently in a trade for Giga. I closed my Bitcoin trade at break even. Just in case we do see some weakness with BTC if the Bitcoin dominance falls. But I may look for other entries on other coins if I see good setups. But right now we're just in Giga. If you want completely free access to my trade signals, all you have to do is take 30 seconds, sign up to BITUNIX, no KYC, no VPN. All around the world, 10% back on every single one of your trades on your fees when you sign up through my link. One of the few exchanges you can trade futures in North America. After you sign up, take 30 seconds, send me an email. I'll send you the link for my Discord, almost 3,000 members, my daily crypto analysis for many, many coins here, my exact crypto trade setups, my Forex signals, and you can also chat with other members in the group. And my how to all plays, you can see what I'm invested in, when I'm taking my profits. Yours free with a sign up to BITUNIX. Take the 30 seconds, send me an email. Definitely worth in my opinion. All links down below. Go check them out. Smash up that like button, subscribe if you're new. And I'll see you in the next one. Much love. Take care.